Hi there. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Chapter 1 Capstone. Specifically, we're going to complete steps 4 and 5. So you can see on the screen, I have the instructions displayed. Let's start with step 4. It says in cell, sorry, I'm going to back up and start with step 3, just to make sure we're all ready to go with the data that we need for the later steps. Okay, so step 3 says in cell E5, enter a formula that calculates the number of days between for the trip. So we're going to go over to our spreadsheet. I'm going to select cell E5, and I'm just going to look at the data that's available to me. So from the traveler data, I have the date that they've departed and the date that they've returned. So I'm going to try to take this sentence given to me in English in the instructions and flip it around to be an Excel formula. So I know that I'll always start with the equal sign, and then as I look at my dates, I'm going to choose E4 minus E3, and then I'm going to press enter. And I can see that the result is 4, and if I look at my dates, that seems like the correct result. So that's part of what we're trying to do in this first chapter, is just to explore with different calculations and see if you can get yourself to an answer that seems correct. Okay, let's move on to step 4 then. In cell B12, enter a formula that calculates the amount budgeted for mileage to and from the airport. The amount is based on mileage rate and round trip miles. So I'm going to start by clicking on cell B12 there, and as always, I'm going to start with the equal sign. And where's my mileage rate? Here it is, B5, and I'm going to do rate times then the round trip miles to airport, B6. So B5 times B6, give that an enter and see what you get for an answer there. Okay, let's try step 5. We're on a roll. Step 5 says, in cell B13, enter a formula to calculate the amount budgeted for parking. And this is an interesting one because it tells us we're going to use the airport parking daily rate. So it's the rate we pay for parking on a daily basis. Calculate the number of total days traveling. And for the total days traveling, it wants us to use the number of nights plus 1. So we're going to take the rate times the number of nights plus 1. All right, let's go do this. We're in B13. As always, we start with equals. That's the easy part. So we need the rates. So we're going to take our rates. Here it is, airport parking daily rate, and B4. Then we're going to multiply that. So I'm going to add my asterisk. And the next part of the formula has to go in parentheses. We did this during the chapter as well. And we know it goes in parentheses because in the instructions, it already told us take the number of nights plus 1. Okay, so my number of nights is, what is that, E5 plus 1. Finish up your parentheses. And in this example, parentheses is just the mathematical version of saying, hey, do this first. So it's going to do E5 plus 1 first, and then take that and multiply it by B4. Okay, go ahead and hit enter, and we get our answer there. Good, we're looking good. That's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions at all.